I found today fantastic. It felt really energizing to be around this many people with a shared interest about something so important.
It's been brilliant. It's one of my favourite days of the year. It's just amazing to remind myself that we're plugged into this work because it can feel like we're all out there doing it, and it's just lovely to talk to other people who are on the same mission.
I thought it was wonderful. There were so many people from different sectors, and I saw a lot of people from HR, which is really amazing.
Meeting lots of great people, having that exchange of ideas, knowing what other people are doing, kind of feeling that kind of relief of being in a room full of people who kind of get the sort of work that we're doing, because it is such important work.
Today was great, as usual. Every time I come to a Culture Shift event, it's always very positive. There's lots to take away. It's great to network with other institutions and really remind ourselves that we're all facing very similar issues.